In this video, I will take up 4 examples. So, these examples will illustrate how to use these basic equations to plot the graphs of parabolas. So, first example, y square is equal to 8x. Now, this equation is comparable to this equation y square equal to 4ax. So, 4a is equal to 8. So, dividing both sides by 4, we get a is equal to 2. So, the plot of y square equal to 8x will be this one with focus at 2, 0 and directrix equation x equal to minus 2. Now, next example is x squared equal to 8y. So, this equation is comparable to this. So, again 4a is 8 and similar to the above, a is equal to 2. So, this is the graph of this equation with focus at 0, 2 and directrix y is equal to minus 2. Next example, y squared equal to minus 8x. So, this is similar to this equation y squared equal to minus 4ax. So, here minus 4a is minus 8. So, dividing both sides by minus 1, we get 4a equal to 8. So, 4a equal to 8 is the same equation as what we used in the first example. So, similar to the first example, we get a is equal to 2 here. So, y square equal to minus 8x is represented by this shape with focus at minus 2, 0 and the directrix at x equal to 2. Next is x squared equal to minus 8y. So, this equation is comparable to this one. So, here minus 4a is minus 8 and similar to this one, a is equal to again 2. So, this is the shape of this equation and the focus is 0, minus 2 and the directrix is y equal to 2 and the vertex in all 4 cases the vertex is at the origin. So, vertex is at the origin, this vertex is at the origin, this vertex at the origin and this vertex at the origin. So, that is how we plot basic parabola equations. Thanks for watching.